Hello kids, so today I'm going to show you how to create a Google document or a Google slide directly from the assignment. Okay, so suppose this is the assignment that I have posted on your Google Classroom. When I click on this assignment, I see something like this. This is the name of the assignment. These are the marks and these are the instructions. Now on the right hand side of your assignment, you have your work section. If you are using a tablet, then you will see your work section at the bottom of your screen. Okay, so in your work section, you will see a button called add or create. You may see add work or add attachment, those who are using tablets. Okay, so when we click on this add or create, we get many types. That is Google Drive. You can insert a file that is there on your Google Drive from here. You can give a link to your file. If your file is there on your device, you can select this file option. Now we want to add a Google document to this assignment. So we will click on this docs option. When we click on this docs option, a Google document gets added or created directly in your work section. The name of the Google document automatically becomes your name dash the name of the assignment, the full name of the assignment. So this is how you create a Google document from the your work section of your assignment on Google Classroom. Those who are using tablets, you will see your work section at the bottom of your assignment. In that you will see add attachment or add work option. When you click on that option, you will get 6 more options. In that, select create and then you will get docs option. Click on docs and then your document will get added in your work section.